From the dust I was born, to the dirt I shall return when my eyes are closed.
Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make this clip-in bun using a Brazilian wool. This is just a very easy and go-to hairstyle. This is something that you can just pack your hair in a bun and just wear that clip-in bun. No stress, no hassle at all. So if you want to know how to make this, just keep on watching and do make sure to hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed. So I actually have two types. One is made with drawstring and the other is made without a drawstring but with a wig comb as well. So yeah, I'm gonna be showing you how to do this. You need your wig comb, you need your needle and thread, and also you need your Brazilian wool, of course. And you need this this is like a base that I got it from this thread. So when I was done with the thread, I just felt I could make use of, you know, the casing. So I actually cut it. I made this about 4 inches. So it all depends on the size you want. If you want it shorter or you want it longer, then there's really no need to cut it. So I'm making use of this mesh net, but first I'm gonna place the casing on top of my mannequin head, and then I'm just gonna place this mesh net on top of the casing. I'm just gonna wrap it like so. So after doing that, I'll be making use of my T-pins to just secure the mesh net down to the mannequin head before I start stitching. So yeah, just keep on watching, and I also want to use this opportunity to just thank my subscribers, and also if you are new to my channel, do make sure to keep on watching. Don't go anywhere because I create useful videos, DIYs, content like this. And also if there's something you want me to teach you, you can just send a message and I'll definitely try my best to make a video. So this is just me making sure that I secure the top part of the mesh net. Just secure that part properly so that you can start and then we'd walk through with using the Brazilian wool to create any kind of style. You can either do twisting or you can do your weaving. It all depends on what you really want. Just be creative about it, and trust me, you'll be able to do this by yourself. This didn't take me time at all, so it's very easy. So it's something that you'll be able to do also. So just keep on watching, and let me know what you think about this video at the end of the video. And also do make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, and also comment and share this video. So keep on watching, guys.
I will survive.
So for the Brazilian wool, I took about 16 inches in length to get in for this clip-in bun, because I wasn't really sure of the length that would be necessary for this. So I took 60 inches of using my tape rule, and I because I wanted it to be very bulky, I just took as much as I can. So it all depends on what you really want. I used 1 Brazilian wool for this, so if you want it to be bigger than this, you can use 2 Brazilian wool, but the length I used was 60 inches, like I said. So you want to use thread and needle to just secure the middle part properly. So yeah, it all depends. Like I said, it all depends on what you really want. If you want to do twisting, you can. If you want to do weaving, you can. But do make sure that before you start doing whatever style you want, that you secure the middle part very well, so that you can have a very clean finish. And so I'm just going to cut the other parts of the thread, but I'm leaving the other side that is attached to the needle. So I'm just going to use my T-pin to just secure the middle part, and then I would start twisting it like so. So you just want to twist it properly. I feel like the twisting will come out very nice, so that's why I just went ahead to start twisting. So just keep on watching, and if you are still yet to give this video a huge thumbs up, please do give it a huge thumbs up, because this really helps me a lot when you give my video. That's when you smash that like button. It really helps a lot, and also to get across to a lot of people. So do make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up and also comment. So yeah, moving forward, when you get to the the down part of the Brazilian wool. You just want to secure that like so, very well. And then afterwards, I'm just going to walk through to attaching this to the base of the clip-in bun. So just keep on watching, guys.
From the dust I was born, to the dirt I shall return. When my eyes are closed, in the shadows, my enemies will think they won, but I am here to stay. Destiny will overcome, no, I am not afraid. Like a phoenix in the night, my soul will rise. From the darkness to the light, I feel alive. I'm a fire burning bright, I'll never die. Like a phoenix in the night, I will survive. Oh, I will survive. I'm a fire burning bright, I'll never die. Like a phoenix in the night, I will survive. Oh, I will survive. Like a phoenix in the night, I will survive. Oh, I will survive. Oh, I will survive. All the pain, all the hurt, all the lessons I have learned, I am stronger now. I won't let me down. Oh, my enemies will think they won, but I'm here to stay. Destiny will overcome. No, I am not afraid. Like a phoenix in the night, my soul will rise. From the darkness to the light, I feel alive. I'm a fire burning bright, I'll never die. Like a phoenix in the night, I will survive. Oh, I will survive. I'm a fire burning bright, I'll never die. Like a phoenix in the night, I will survive. Oh, I will survive. Like a phoenix in the night, I will survive. Oh, I will survive.
So after securing the twist to the net, I'm just going to take a little part of Brazilian wool just to end that part so I'm just going to use the Brazilian wool to just tack it very well so that I can easily tuck it in. So just keep on watching so that you can see how I was able to tack this in, because if you don't do it this way, it would look very funny and look so tacky. So yeah, just keep on watching. So afterwards, you just want to use the Brazilian wool to just keep wrapping just keep wrapping it all the way through, so that it can be smaller, because you can see that the Brazilian wool is quite big, so we just want to use the wool to just wrap it like so. Just keep on watching, guys, so that you can pretty much understand how this was easily tucked in.
Will survive. Oh, I will survive. I'm a fire, burning bright, I'll never die. Like a phoenix in the night, I will survive. Oh, I will survive.
So after tucking this in, I just went ahead to use my needle and thread to just tag that properly, so that you know, it can be well secured. So yeah, that is just how to tack it, so that it can look very secured and long lasting. That is just the basic point about this clip-in bun. The fact that it could last for a long time is just what's so interesting about it. And yeah, after doing that, you just want to use your thread and walk through it, going upwards and downwards like so, just like I am doing it. And then after doing that, we're going to add our clip-in comb. That's the wig comb inside it. And for this, I'm going to be using I'm going to be sewing my wig comb to the net part, but don't go anywhere, so that you can probably see how I was able to do this. So just keep on watching, guys.
Destiny will overcome. No, I am not afraid. Like a phoenix in the night, my soul will rise. From the darkness to the light, I feel alive. I'm a fire, burning bright, I'll never die. Like a phoenix in the night, I will survive. Oh, I will survive. I'm a fire, burning bright, I'll never die. Like a phoenix in the night, I will survive. Oh, I will survive. Like a phoenix in the night, I will survive. Oh, I will survive. From the dust I was born, to the dirt I shall return. When my eyes are closed, in the shadows, my enemies will think they won, but I am here to stay. Destiny will overcome. No, I am not afraid. Like a phoenix in the night, my soul will rise. From the darkness to the light, I feel alive. I'm a
So this is how it is looking like. Very firm, very secured. So if you want yours bigger than this, you can actually do that. So yeah, this is the other one that I did with a drawstring. If you want a video on how I was able to do this, let me know in the comments section. And trust me, if I'm able to get about 100 likes on this video, I would definitely do a video on that other clip in with using the drawstring. So yeah, I'm just going to show you guys how this turned out to look like on my head. So just keep on watching. If you're yet to give this video a huge thumbs up, please guys, give it a huge thumbs up, and also subscribe if you haven't subscribed. So guys, just keep on watching.
have learned. I am stronger now. I won't let me down. Oh, my enemies will think they won, but I'm here to stay. Destiny will overcome. No, I am not afraid. Like a phoenix in the night, my soul will rise. From the darkness to the light, I feel alive.
So I just went ahead to just place it on my head, and then I used bobby pin to just secure that properly, and that is it, guys. This is how the hair is looking like. Very lovely, very simple, easy go-to hairstyle. So let me know what you guys think about this video, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.